Good morning, Musa. Thank you. Good morning, Brooklyn. I feel like I hardly ever get like New York City. Hardly anyone ever says they're from New York City, which is so crazy since there's so many people there. It's winter in Australia. Good morning, Connecticut. Another hot day in PA. It'll probably be hotter in PA today than it will be here in Florida, which is crazy. Crazy. Midnight in Montgomery. Good morning. Netherlands. Can a man dislike me? Yeah, definitely. Definitely. Here's my morning helicopter. Every day. Every day. With the morning helicopter. No parlez-vous français. I should have made iced coffee. It would already be warm. It would probably be the same temperature this is at this point. So either way, I'm drinking warm coffee. Not hot, not iced, warm. Yes, I am Angela Ray of Sunshine. Everywhere you look for me. Everywhere. I made it so easy for you. This is my name. All the places. I live in Southwest Florida. Good morning. Thanks, Bam Bam. You too. Good to see you, my friend. Good morning. What's up, lowrider? Oh, yeah. How'd the party go? How'd the party go? I mean, it's a good idea, Scott, to just be aware of your surroundings, no matter where you are and what potential threats there may be. Am I right? Shut up. What, is she gonna pay you like today, maybe? Oh my God. That's crazy. Do you want me to call her and pretend I'm your lawyer? You were way too loud. You're there to play music. I will totally call her and pretend to be your lawyer. Or your manager, like whatever sounds best, you know. My mom used to be a talent manager. After she wait, then she ended up bringing. She'll pay you. She'll pay you. Did you have a conversation about it last night? Maybe it was just like too much going on with the party and whatever. I have hopes. It's still early today. She'll pay you. If not I'm not even kidding. I will totally call. I have one friend that his family really does own like a property management company. So he has an email that is a business email that goes to like Mike at property management, whatever. You know what I'm saying? Like, so anytime I'm getting a new place, he's been my landlord. He's been my landlord a couple of times through the years. Like job references, put me down. Anybody in the room, put me down. I'll say whatever needs to be said so you can get the job. I don't give a fuck. I'll be your manager. I'll be the owner of the company and give you rave reviews. I love that shit. Good morning. Oh my God. Joel, I love that. I love that. I know you didn't really say that to her, but like, I love that. Oh my gosh. Good morning. Of course I know. But it's a good one. It's definitely a good one. The other cat wants to come outside. Why she gotta be like this? Like she always wants to come outside. After the fact. Are you coming out? Come on, you can't just stand in the doorway. In or out, baby girl? Come on. So she sits right at the door. Can you see her now? Come on out. Come out. Oh my God. Just come outside. You're crazy cat. You're crazy. You're crazy. I'll leave it open so you can go back in. My God. My goodness. Oh my goodness. Good morning. I'm sure I dropped a few things. Good morning. She's still